Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and this is going to be a quick unboxing of the Victure 4K Wi-Fi Ultra HD Action Cam. This is their high-end action camera, which is the AC940. This is their premium action camera. It is feature-rich. You have 4K 60 frames per second Ultra HD camera, 20 megapixel high-quality photograph, 5 meters waterproof without any extra casing, or 40 meters waterproof with the waterproof case. Has a 2-inch HD touchscreen, and you can control and view stuff via the built-in Wi-Fi. So let's open this guy up and see everything that comes in the box. Alright, we're going to open this up, and there you go. Of course, you got your manual here, which you will need for this camera because this camera can do a lot of things. So got your manual with all your instructions so you can learn how to use it properly. Got some welcome cards and warranty information, and here is the camera itself. Now right now it is in the 40 meter waterproof case. You can see that seal that goes around the whole thing to make sure that it is waterproof for the full amount. And it's got this little hinge that you use to seal and seal it. Take that off. You do see on the bottom here it has that attachment to allow you to connect it to a lot of different things. A lot of different action camera accessories all use that standard type of attachment, so you can use this with that. That is the waterproof case. Set that off to the side, and you can see this is the camera itself. It's very, very small, as an action camera should be. It's got a cover on the back right now. You can see the little touch symbol because this is a touch screen. Got a couple of symbols over here. 4K Ultra HD. On the top here, you've got 2 buttons. M button, probably different modes, and then that's probably to start recording or take a picture. Over here you've got your power button. On this side you've got your HDMI, looks like. I have to figure out how exactly you get that off. Because again, this is waterproof up to 5 meters without that case, so everything is sealed very well. But you do have your little HDMI. Looks like that also is going to be the port maybe for charging. You've got what looks like maybe a microphone or something there. On the bottom here you've got your standard threaded mount so that you can attach this to a mount easily, or to a gimbal, or to anything like that. And we've got another button here. It's probably to open things up, is my guess. But without reading the instructions, I do not know. And this is just the unboxing, so you can see what comes in the box. You got that nice size lens right there to capture everything. The Victure logo. This is a really high quality camera. Has image stabilization and just lots of great features. So let's look at what else is going to come in the box. Besides the camera and the camera case, you've got accessories here. So this particular package comes with a lot of accessories. You've got a remote control button, so that's remote control to take a picture or record, and you can attach that to like a wrist strap, which is why it's got these things on the side, so that's cool. You've got couple of different mounting options, it looks like. Different ways you can mount this. You've got another attachment, another standard action cam attachment to use. And another one. They're including a lot of stuff in the accessories. This is your micro USB cable, in case you don't have one, that you'll use to charge the batteries for this. This is that wrist strap I was telling you about. So you can feed that through anything that attaches to your wrist, attach the camera to your wrist, or to attach the remote control to your wrist. And it is Velcro. Could be used in water as well. You've got more mounts. So you've got a standard screw mount to go on the bottom so that you can then use those attachments with it. You've also got another female mount that you can screw that into in order to use all the different attachments. Over here you've got just another option, another mount. So this snaps into, I believe, these things, so that you could snap this into there and put this on your wrist if you wanted to use the camera on your wrist. Lots of accessories here. You've got a cleaning cloth, you've got some zip ties, as well as a little wired metal tie, and some sticky pads, different things you can use. Another type of action camera joint that you can use. And this is a action cam attachment that you could use for like a bike or a scooter or something like that. It goes around there, and then you tighten these to tighten that on there, and the action cam of course mounts on there. You've got a lot of different straps, Velcro straps, so different ways you can use those Velcro straps along with these attachments to attach to a lot of different things. You've got your cover, which will go on there to protect it if you're storing it, moving around. And then you've got two batteries. They include two batteries with this camera so that you can get plenty of time. Two rechargeable, Victure rechargeable ion batteries, and it looks like each of these are 1350 mAh. So with two of these, you can go for quite a bit of time without having a need to recharge. One runs out, you can pop it out and throw the other one in. So we've got batteries, we've got all these different accessories to do all kinds of different things, and you've got your photometer waterproof case, and you've got, of course, the star of the show, the action cam itself. And that is everything that comes in the box. That's going to be it for this video. I'll have a link in the description below to this product on Amazon. You can click to jump over to Amazon, read what other people have said about it, pick one up for yourself. Don't forget to click that like button, subscribe to my channel to keep up with all my videos, favorite this playlist, keep up with future product reviews. I will be doing a full demo and review video of this camera in the near future, so stay tuned for that. Anyway, that's going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.